Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean composition and gathering assets. That prevents chaos later. Create a 1920x1080, 30 FPS project and import your PNGs, SVG, and reference video. Once done, name layers clearly and group them into folders so you can isolate animation work quickly. Next, set anchor points where motion will pivot and lock background elements to avoid accidental moves. Make sure to save a version copy before you animate. This gives you a fallback if timing changes later. Now you build motion with keyframes, add position, scale, and rotation keys and stagger their start times so movement feels intentional. Use easing, choose ease in for arrivals and ease out for exits, or edit Bezier handles to craft curves. Once you have base motion, refine timing with the velocity graph and add motion blur to cell speed. Also animate opacity and subtle scale beats to add life, and preview at full speed to catch any unnatural pops before moving to effects. Finish by checking timing, audio, and effects at full resolution. Exports must match composition, FPS, and intended bitrate. Render a short segment first to confirm sync and color, then export as MP4 or HEVC depending on quality needs. If playback stutters or frames drop, reduce heavy layer effects, bake complex precompositions into single layers, or lower export bitrate. This usually resolves hiccups. Finally, keep an organized source file and export presets so you can reproduce consistent results next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.